Attorney Katrina Hofstetter is joining us today, Cornerstone Legal. All right, Katrina, if I am a business owner, what is the most important thing you think I need to think about right now?
In my opinion, the most important thing this year is the Corporate Transparency Act and the new Beneficial Ownership Information Report.
Okay.
I've never heard of that.
Yeah. Corporate what?
Yeah, so the Corporate Transparency Act was passed a few years ago, but this report starts this year, and it's a federal report as opposed to state. It is essentially going to create this database at the federal level so that they know who owns every business that's required to file.
Are they going to reach out to us to tell us about this? And are they going to distinguish, like,
It looks like no.
No?
No.
We're asking no.
Okay, so we just need to know this.
Yes.
So if you're, an independent contractor versus an LLC versus a corporation, how do you know that you have to fill this out?
Well, getting advice will help you. There are resources available, but there's kind of a couple of thresholds that I think you have to meet to know if you have to file. If you filed articles at the state level, that's a really good indicator.
Okay.
Articles of organization for an LLC, articles of incorporation for a corporation. And then also, if you're actively generating income, if you have a revenue in your business, then you probably have to file. And that also, this is important, it does apply, or it could apply to even small businesses. People who sell like tumblers and stickers on Etsy. Or the cupcake lady next door, they could have to file too.
Or if you're like selling stuff at the farmer's market.
Absolutely.
Or what? Why? This seems really extensive for what?
What should a business owner do then now?
Well, there is a deadline. If you had your business established prior to January 1st of this year, you have until January 1st of next year to file.
Okay.
New businesses that were started this year have 30 days to file. There could be people who are already, new businesses who are already delinquent on this. So it's really
Unwittingly.
But if you're delinquent, they're going to send you a note, right?
Well, at the federal level, they don't know who the businesses are
Okay.
because federal and state don't really talk to each other. So no, they probably aren't going to notify you. And it's just, you got to get advice on it. Somebody like me or a tax professional.
But if I filed this year and I'm already out of compliance, and they're going to give me some grace, aren't they?
I'm hoping so. I think that they will, but
They're
do
coming after you.
Convincing.
they do throw out things
I hope
about
so too, but,
fines. Yeah.
but call
It's
Katrina.
great that you brought this to our attention. How do we find more information?
I do have a webinar that was recorded on my YouTube channel, so you can find info there.
Which is Cornerstone Legal PLLC
Yes.
on YouTube. Okay. Or you can go to the website too, cornerstonelegalpllc.com for more information. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.